In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Among Us sign-in error. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and one of the most common reasons is due to the server status of Among Us. So what you want to do is you want to open up any web browser, it could be on your desktop or on your phone, and just look up Among Us server status right over here, and then go ahead and use this reliable website called Down Detector. So if you go ahead and press on it and you notice there's like a gigantic spike, that means that Among Us servers are likely down right over there. And if Among Us servers are down, then obviously you aren't able to go ahead and play, and you're going to get a sign-in error. And honestly, you can't really do nothing about it. The only thing you could really do in that situation is just wait for the servers to come back online. But luckily, it doesn't take too long because the Among Us team is relatively fast when it comes to actually fixing those server issues. But if that is not working, what I recommend that you guys do is restart your game and device. So close Among Us completely and restart it. If that doesn't work, reboot your device to clear minor glitches. And the next thing you want to do is you want to ensure that you have stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent sign-in. Switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or ensure a good mobile signal. And you can restart your router if you do need to, because that actually does play a massive factor, because if your Wi-Fi isn't that good, then you may run into some issues actually playing Among Us. So if you're using Google or Apple ID, please make sure you're signed into the correct account. So if your device has like multiple accounts and stuff like that, then you need to go ahead and change it and use the one that actually does work for you. And also, please disable any VPNs or firewalls. So VPNs or firewalls may interfere with authentication, so disable them temporarily and then try again. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.